Okay, so what we've got so far is our AM receiver, which is currently playing from one of our local radio stations. What we're going to do now is set this guy up to receive transmissions from the one on my left. So first we'll just retune this to an empty frequency. We found 880 on our spectrum analyzer before, it looked pretty empty. And now what we'll do is we'll swap over to our other Moku. And on this one we're going to launch the Waveform Generator. So the idea here is we're going to play some music from this laptop into one of the inputs and use it to amplitude modulate our carrier over the air to the other Moku. So I'll just plug this guy in. And we'll tune our carrier to our 880 kilohertz. Hear a tone just started to crackle in. And we've got an input, so if I hit play, we have Beethoven. So now if I switch back over to our previous device, and we'll go back to the lock-in amp. What we can actually see is our outputs being modulated, actually clipping a little bit on this one, but you can see the carrier frequency in the red plot and then our output audio frequencies on the blue plot.